Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Gigi Perez, first time on Going Guitar, and she does a song called Chemistry. Very important in life, chemistry. And if there is one thing that guitarists love is when you get this song, simple chords, and you can really hear everything is played there, the simple strumming pattern, everything's clear, and it's just, yeah. This is a guitar song and it has to be on the channel. That is my thought about this song. Very soothing for guitar, obviously. Let's go into the chemistry song here, and we're gonna use a capo on first fret. That is the best scenario for us, and with that we have 6 chords. All right, 6 chords. Let's go into them, starting with G. So that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the B minor, and for this specific song we go with the open chords because we want this open E string down below there. So that will be second on A, fourth on D, fourth on G, third on B, and open E. The grip looks almost as the standard B minor. The standard has this bar on the second fret. We'll not use that, just this second A. Alright, beautiful sound there from the B minor. Next is the F sharp minor. This is a bar chord. You place your index finger on the second fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And then we have the D. And that will be open D, second G, third B, second E, and finally we have the A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn this strumming, and maybe it's one of the most common strumming patterns in guitar playing. So if you grab the first chord G, one round will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so one down, then down, up, and then up, down, up. That is one round. So down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we have this main chord that goes like 90% of the song. It will be to play 2 string rounds per chord, and the chords will be G, E minor, the B minor, and the F sharp minor. So that is the main chord here. So let's do that for a round, and G2, E minor 2, B minor 2, and F sharp minor 2, like this. That is the main pattern of this song, like I said. But then we have at 2 different timestamps, 1 minute and 17 seconds in, but also at 2:23 at the end of both verse 2 and 3. Okay, from these timestamps, we're gonna play E minor 2, B minor 2, G2, D1, and A1. Only for this one chord progression round. So, like I said, E minor 2, B minor 2, G2, D1, and A1. Once you play that, then you go back and play the main part again, which was G, and E minor 2, B minor 2, and F sharp minor 2. And that, my friends, my followers, my dear followers, is how you handle Perez chemistry. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. As always, play tuned.